What if I told you that calling in your dream life doesn't begin with chasing? It begins with feeling into the version of you who already has it. The home that feels peaceful, the love that feels steady and electric, the work that feels purposeful, the recognition that feels natural. Not focusing on the thing, focusing on the state. How would you walk? How would you breathe? How would you speak to yourself? What would you wear? How would you hold your posture? That version of you is available now. And when you step into that feeling, add gratitude. Gratitude for receiving. Gratitude for who you were. Gratitude for who you are. Gratitude for what already exists. Gratitude for what is forming. Gratitude amplifies everything. It shifts your signal. It tells life, yes, I am ready. Everything is working out for you exactly as it should. The right people are aligning with you. The ones who are not meant to stay are clearing space with precision. Doors close with intelligence. Doors open with timing. Every experience carries meaning. Every chapter carries refinement. There is reason and rhythm behind what unfolds. Some gifts arrive wrapped in clarity. Some gifts arrive wrapped in lessons. And sometimes the full picture reveals itself only in hindsight. Yet, every piece is shaping you. Shaping your discernment, your strength, your depth, your capacity to hold more. Your inner world is the architect. Every belief you nourish, every word you speak, every emotion you rehearse, every action you take, all of it builds. You do not have to wait for the outside to shift before you step into your next level. You are allowed to feel it now, to move now, to stand now as the version who lives that life. Some manifestations take time because they ripple beyond you. Lives intersect, paths synchronize, details align. What is forming may be more layered than you can currently see. Precision takes coordination, and coordination creates beauty. Trust the orchestration. Trust the refinement. Trust the unfolding. The desires that rise quietly within you are not random. They are whispers of direction, invitations into expansion. You are not behind. You are becoming. Everything is assembling. The peaceful home, the purposeful career, the devoted love, the meaningful recognition, the travel, the art, the connection, the life that feels like yours. It is not arriving from outside. It is emerging from who you are. Life is intelligent and it responds to alignment. Stand in gratitude. Move with faith. Feel into that is already forming. Everything is working out for you exactly as it should. Until next time.